It is 2025 EMO in Hanover. We are back again this year with new products, new machines, new software, new connectivity, new automation solutions. And let me quickly introduce you to each one of them in a very short way. So, we introduced Ultra Technology 4 years ago. Ultra Technology means we have a nanometer control in our machines now, together with an ultra precision package of hardware and software components, which enables us to machine and grind precision tools more accurately than ever before. So we're taking that to the level of micro tools, and we're introducing to the market, after prototype phase, our MicroX machine for tools down to 0.03 millimeters. Going to the next machine, we thought that edge preparation is such a valuable process, together with the finishing of surfaces of tools. So we designed the EPX machine for stream finishing, which we will also introduce to the market at EMO. And you can see here the wonderful edges that you can prepare with this machine on tools like this one. Apart from that, we have an entirely new package for inserts grinding, which is software that has been tailored to the needs of manufacturers of cutting tool inserts. Meaning that they can produce easier, faster and to higher quality now. We have our CPX machine, which has been a great success in the market, but we keep developing it into new functions, one of which is we can now machine sintered blanks on it. We can also grind flats on it, and that will enhance the machine to an extent that basically no one can live without it anymore. And then finally, you know that we've been the first on the market for automation systems. These automation systems are a big success in the market, and we are introducing the next levels, the next steps in automation, together with an initial step of automating your installed base with our new product AIMS Connect for production planning, job management, operator guidance and total digital transparent production of cutting tools. And when you're at EMO, you know that since 2018 every EMO we announce the winner of the Tool of the Year award. And this year it's the time again. We hope for entries from India. We hope for many visitors from India. Come around, sit with us, chat about your challenges. We're sure we can solve them. Our motto this year is Partner for Precision and Profitability, and let us be your partner.